Microwaves and nutrients, the big question.
Is using a microwave bad for your food's nutrients? Many people worry that microwaving food destroys vitamins and minerals. But what does the science actually say about how microwaves work and how they affect nutrient content compared to other cooking methods?
How microwaves cook food.
Microwaves heat food using electromagnetic waves that target water molecules, causing them to vibrate and produce heat. This process cooks food quickly and efficiently from the inside out, which can actually help preserve nutrients by shortening cooking times.
What happens to nutrients during cooking?
Most cooking methods cause some nutrient loss, especially vitamins sensitive to heat, water, or air, like vitamin C and some B vitamins. The longer and hotter the cooking, and the more water used, the higher the nutrient loss. The key factor is not the appliance, but how you cook your food.
How does microwaving compare?
Microwaving often preserves nutrients better than boiling or frying. Because food is cooked faster and with minimal water, fewer vitamins are lost. Steaming and microwaving are among the best methods for retaining water-soluble vitamins.
Myths and facts about microwave cooking.
Myth: microwaves make food radioactive or dangerous. Fact: microwaves use non-ionizing radiation, which does not make food radioactive. Microwave food is safe to eat, with the main concern being even heating, especially for thoroughly cooking meats and reheating leftovers.
Smart tips for nutrient-rich microwave cooking.
To maximize nutrients while microwaving, use minimal water, avoid overcooking, cut food evenly for uniform heating, and cover food with a microwave-safe lid. These simple steps can help ensure your food stays tasty and nutritious when cooked in the microwave.